Hey guys, Black Prince Marty back with another video. As you can see, we have the hood open once again because today we're going to be switching out those ugly yellow high beams slash daytime running lights for some LEDs that I bought off IJDM toy LED series. These didn't run me for that much, they were only $20, and I actually found out about them through one of RP Productions' old videos when he had the 2013 Dodge Charger also, or 2014 I believe. Yeah guys, I was going through some of his videos, some of his old videos on his Charger because I seen that he had done a lighting video. And I was wondering what he had used for the daytime running lights because I know that Dial Dynamics does not have an option for that. So I went on there, watched the video, and he had the link, and it took me to the IJDM. Only 20 bucks, so I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and order them. But on his video, he did mention that the LEDs are not as bright. Sorry guys, waiting for that to pass by, but he did mention that the LEDs were not as bright as the original high beams, which I don't know if that might change your decision for some of you. It didn't for me because I don't really use them that much unless it's like really dark or I'm on a light. I'm on the road at night with no light at all, you know. But then again, my HIDs are pretty bright themselves, so yeah guys. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do today. So let me go ahead and shut off the car. Let's get started. Alright guys, so I went ahead and shut off the car, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a full installation guide because it is pretty much just like doing the headlights, which you've already seen me do. It's just the one next to it. That's the one for the daytime running lights slash high beams. And same over here, you just have to take off the air filter once again like before. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get started on that, start doing it, and I'll get back with you. Alright guys, so it is a little bit different, not much. But as you can see, sorry about my finger in the way. As you can see, that's the bulb, and I was thinking, you know, you had to do it the same way, take it off with the whole ring, like the HIDs. But this one, you actually just grab, twist the bulb, and pull it out. So you just grab it, twist it to the left, and pull it out. It is much easier than the HIDs. And then after that, you just disconnect it, plug in the new bulb, put it back in, twist it in. That's pretty much it. But let me go ahead and do that real quick, and I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, so that didn't even take but like 2 minutes. Literally the easiest thing you could do. But as you can see, I managed to get it in. The driver's side is in. And here's the comparison between the stock high beams slash daytime running lights and the new LEDs. So as you can see, these are the new LEDs. They're a bright white color compared to the stock yellow color. The main reason I got them is just because I don't like having that yellow color on my car. I like the bright white because it just makes it look cleaner. Unlike yellow, I just don't like yellow lights at all. I am planning on getting the headlights next. I mean, not the headlights, the fog lights. Because I still do have the original fog lights. And for the fog lights, I'm gonna go with the Dial Dynamics. So as soon as I get those out, I will also be making a video of the fog lights. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one in real quick. That way y'all can see it with both of them on. And I'll get right back with it. Alright guys, so I was about to put in the bulb, but then I remember that I never even showed y'all the bulbs. So this is what the new LEDs look like. As you can see, way different from original. That's the original bulb, and here's the new LEDs. They're not even expensive, they're only $20. You don't need no other wiring kit, nothing, just plug and play. It's really simple, don't need to spend a lot of money, and they look amazing for the price. So let me get this in real quick, that way y'all can finally see the car with both of them in. But yeah, guys, I was forgetting to show y'all the bulb, the LED, and I remember right before I was about to put it in. So let me put this in real quick, guys, and I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, both LEDs are now in. As you can see, way better than original I-beams, daytime running lights, whatever you want to call them. But I just love the look of the LEDs. I mean, it's something different. I don't know why, I just hate the yellow lights. If I could, I would even change all my side markers and all that. Well, not really the side markers, but like my turn signals and everything to a white color. But I don't think you can do that. I'm not sure. But yeah, guys. Today's video was not really a long video. It wasn't meant to be. Just a short video of some LEDs. Because I know, I'm pretty sure a bunch of you with 2013 Chargers, 2011 to, what is it, 2014? Probably are interested in LEDs for your daytime running lights. Because I mean, I've been looking for them for a while. And I've watched RP Productions video before, but I never really realized that he had changed the daytime running lights until recently. So thanks to RP Productions for the link and everything. But yeah, guys, and if you don't know who RP Production is, go ahead and go check him out, because he's an amazing YouTuber, has great videos, always keeps posting new content, and right now his build on his C6 Corvette, it's amazing. So yeah, guys, if y'all don't know who RP Production is, go check him out. And that's pretty much it for this week's video, guys. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe, keep watching my videos, keep giving me likes, tell your friends about the channel, and I'll get back to y'all with more videos.